my career, where I'm investing my time, directly overlaps with the vision that what I'm trying to create at home. So there is no off and on switch. The way that I think about this, our purpose is the same as every other living species. Our purpose is not to go be a great founder. Our purpose isn't to go play in the NBA. Our purpose isn't to be a doctor. Our purpose is to take care of one another. That is the human purpose, to make sure our species continues on and is alive and well. Now, society wants to tell you a different story. Scientifically speaking, our purpose is to care for one another. And so I think about that in terms of rings. My tiniest ring, the closest ring, the thing that I'm most in control of taking care of our species, are my sons and my wife. The next ring out of that is my family. The next ring out from that are my employees. The next ring out from that is my community, where I live. The next ring out from that it becomes further out of my control. But what I'm trying to demonstrate to my sons is that you have to, whether you're a doctor, you're still serving that purpose of taking care of your community. Your profession sits somewhere in that ring, whether you realize it or not. This podcast sits inside of that ring. You're being a guiding light for people who are wanting to listen to this, to be motivated, inspired, change their trajectory, for them to play inside of those rings. And so I don't drift away from that framework. My life is so complicated, but it's also so radically simple. I take care of my children above anything else, and I work incredibly hard to be a thoughtful member of this species.